Finally, after 3 months, I am traveling again. I just got out of work, so I'm still doing this part-time. Maybe I can do this in the near future full-time, so you need to subscribe. Alright, so today we are going to the mountain province of the Philippines, to Sagada. It's probably the coldest place in the Philippines, but it's just 16 degrees. But we, who are used to the daily average of 30 degrees, it's really cold for us. So this travel vlog is brought to you by Jamalero Travel and Tour. Just arrived at the province of Ifugao, Banaue. Later we'll see some rice terraces. If you need some souvenirs, you can buy here souvenirs. You will find this everywhere in the Philippines. They're all over here. Next stop, Banaue Rice Terraces.
Pangalan ko po is Jama. Pajama po.
Ako po, Stoi. Kung kayo mahihiya, laging kaway sa camera. We are now at Banaue Rice Terraces. You know, guys, I'm really trying to speak with you. I'm composing every sentence in my head before I talk to this camera. This is the first time I'm vlogging in English, so please excuse me. Hope I can get some drone shots because it's really foggy here. But this is actually it. This is the part of the 20 peso bill. The weather doesn't want to play with us. Let's go to the next destination. Quick stop over at Banaue Rice Terraces. Morning po! Kaibigan po si Jama. Lahat po si Jama kilala dito. By the way, this is Jama, owner of Jamalero Travel. Was able to get some nice shots, and next destination, this time Sagada. Action, laban, fight! Sagada, and before we check in, we have our lunch first, of course, at Sagada homestay. I can eat 5 of them. Next stop, check in.
Okay, let's go.
And after that, falls. Kumusta po, tita? Pabalik-balik na ako. Sana po kasama namin. Finally here at Ligaya's homestay. We will meet our other friends here. The last time I stayed here, we stayed in this house. It's called the fertility house. So I stayed there with my girlfriend. Nothing happened. There's nothing fertile in that house. Noe, you're in my vlog.
Best friend.
Nasaan si ano? Tulog? Oh. Yes, oh. See? He's trying to speak in English. Kaya sige, mamaya sa inuman tayo. We are all ready. Next destination, falls. I'm supposed to join that van. Sabit! Let's go! Everyone has to register here first. Hello po! And ano to? So if anyone wants, you can get your wonder stick, your walking stick here. Orientation.
Magkano daw yung jeep mula dito papunta tapos balikan?
Ay, yung balikan.
400.
400 Isang jeep.
7 pesos na sa
So 100 na sa akin. Oh, kuya maglalakad kami pababa. Tapos paakyat jeep. Jeep.
So una yung pababa.
Pero hindi ba dapat masabihan na sa baba? Meron na doon? Na jeep sa baba nag-aabang? Sasabihan niya pag meron dito. Okay, sige po. By the way, kuya, anong dialect nyo? So the dialect here in Sagada is Kankanaoy. And second language is actually English. And Tagalog is the third actually. Right? You guys would have no problem with any of these tour guides because they all speak English. Diba kuya, pag tour guide, kala ko nagsasalita ng ano. Oh, look, when you look at your left, this is the village of... ako na kuya. Anong village yun?
Vidilisan.
Ha?
Vidilisan.
Village Fidelisan. So they got monkeys here now. Finally, zipline. Kuya, kaano dito? Kuya, anong mga history dito?
History na.
Ewan ko. Anong wala kayo kwento kuya na history? Ano nangyayari dito kuya, di ba? Every month ata, meron minsan sarado yung village na yan. Tapos hindi pwede dumaan.
Oo, kasi may ginagawang
Ritual ba yun?
Ritual.
Oo. So pag nakapag-ani na at bago magtatanim ulit, ganun.
Ganun.
Okay. Ano po tinatanim dyan? Mga laman lang. Ito na po, bumabagal na kami. Finally, we are close. Yan na ba? May nakita na kayo? See? When it's peak season, this area here is full of people because there are a lot of vendors. Last year it was much stronger. It's really nice today because you can get closer. Stoi, the explorer. So I'm soaked wet right now. That wasn't actually the plan. The plan was just taking pictures, but the wind is just taking all the water down here. So after this, we will not go all the way up by foot. There's a jeepney waiting for us. We will just go halfway up. So that's one of the joyrides. I would recommend everyone. Amin dito? Sasalita ako eh! I would recommend anyone who comes here to Sagada to take the jeep when going up, because it's a fun ride. After that we have our lunch and then bonfire. We're gonna get some hot dogs and marshmallows. So that's for day one. Okay, we have to go because it's getting dark and I'm hungry. I'm actually always hungry. That's why I don't make food vlogs, because on every food I would just make good comments. There's nothing I don't eat. So kuya, nag-aabang na ba yung jeep sa amin doon? Inasikaso ba yun? This is Kuya Robin, our tour guide. It's actually my fourth time now here, and I still like it. Bye, Bomod-ok Falls. This time I got it right. Bomod-ok Falls. yan? Ano yan? Ha? Pechay? Ate, malapit na? Ate, wala na. Yung fan sa jeep, madilim na. Yan, supposed to be, dapat dyan kami sa taas ng jeep na yan. Yun nga yung fan para mag-jeep papunta sa taas. Supposed to be more fun when it's daylight, but that here is actually already the cliff. I will show you the recap. Tapos na. My God, we are all hungry. Ayos dito ha. Magkano lahat yan?
180 lang.
Smile. So we are done with our dinner. I just took a shower. I'm fresh again. So let's go up and drinks, liquor, ready. I'm actually surprised because it's not that cold like it used to be. Tayo mo no, pag nakainom ka, ano ka? Singing trip? Pinaggagawa mo. Tangit.
Set fire to the rain. Watch it.
Tangin na, ingay. Wala na. Doon na nag-unfollow lahat ang mga subscribers ko. These are the guys from 1-2 or 1-1. Bye! Good night! Kanta, kanta, kanta!
Set fire to the rain. I say fire.